Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Arbaz here. In this video we are going to talk about Python. It is the second video of the series which I have started on my channel related to Python. If you are a beginner for Python, then you should join our course by clicking the link in the description. So let's get started with Python. So in this video we are going to discuss about Python. So firstly we will discuss what is Python, and we will discuss some history of Python and why you should learn Python. So let's get started. So Python is an interpreted high-level general-purpose programming language. It supports multiple paradigms including procedural, object-oriented and functional programming. If you are familiar with C, C++ or Java, then you better know what is object-oriented and procedural language. So if you are not familiar with it, then a good example of procedural language is C and object oriented language is Java. So you can use it as different paradigms. So we will learn it more in the later videos. So let's get to the next point. Python interpreters are available for many operating systems like Linux, Mac, Windows. So basically we are going to use Windows system in this series. So let's see some history of Python. The Python programming language was conceived in late 1980s and it was implemented by December 1989 by Rudolf van Rossum. The founder of Python language is Rudolf van Rossum, and a fun fact is that it was not named against the snake. It was named after the British TV show named Monty Python by the Rudolf van Rossum. Rudolf van Rossum was a fan of this series, so he named the programming language as Python. So let's see some more about Python. So Python 2.0 was released in 2000 by the National Research Institute of Mathematics and Computer Science, and it was more open source. And the 3.0 version was released in December of 2008, and the latest version of Python is available, that is 3.7.4. And although Python 2 and 3 are similar, but there is a difference between just printing a statement. That is, if you want to print in Python 2.0, then you have to just write print, and if you are doing the same in the Python 3.0, then you have to write the print statement in the brackets. So why you should learn Python? So Python is the easiest language which you can learn. Its syntax is very simple and easy to learn, and it is user friendly. It is open source, and its community is very big. It has extensive support for libraries, like you can use other libraries to make a program which is very complicated. You can use Python in machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science, and you can use it also for making websites using Django. So Python is a very interesting language, so you can learn the Python throughout this series very easily. So stay tuned for more videos and make sure you are subscribed to the channel. If you are wondering what you can do after learning Python, so you can check some projects which I have made using Python. I will leave the link in the end of the video, so you can see and go throughout all the projects which I have made, so you will get a great idea on how you can use Python. So thanks for watching the video. Please share the video with your friends who are interested in learning Python, and make sure you are subscribed to the channel and enroll in the course by clicking the link in the description if you have not done that yet. So thanks for watching the video. See you in the next one.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.